Having been in the industry for over 30 years, we at KM International know that for a lot of contractors, crack filling, although profitable, can be a pain. That is why we have developed a line of crack maintenance equipment designed to make your crack filling operation fast, easy, and most importantly, profitable. The one and only CrackJet 2 is a fully self-contained one-man heat lance that puts out 2,800 degrees Fahrenheit at 90 CFM. Preparation is essential when crack filling, so don't waste your time and energy dealing with wire wheels, a traditional heat lance, and a blower. With the CrackJet 2, you can clean the crack, etch the walls, and dry the crack in one convenient motion. Pair the CrackJet 2 with KM International's thermostatically controlled, triple wall constructed KM55 rubber melting kettle and get a leg up on your competition. The KM55 is a 55-gallon rubber melting kettle compatible with direct fire or spec material and comes equipped with a universal 360-degree agitation handle. Because the KM55 is thermostatically controlled, it consumes half the amount of propane as a direct fire melter, while allowing for continuous, accurate heating of material without constant monitoring. For details on KM International's line of crack maintenance equipment or any of our other equipment offerings, contact us at 800-492-1757 or visit us online at www.kminternational.com.